What's going on, guys? Bit of a change of scenery today. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a really high backflip. Now, a lot of training sessions I've been going to lately, a lot of people ask me, how do you get such height in your backflip, Brodie? Well, today you're going to know how to do it. A couple things you're going to need before being able to do a really high backflip. Obviously, a backflip, and you've got to know how to not throw your head straight back in a backflip. That's the biggest thing with being able to go up in a backflip. So my way of doing a backflip is probably different to a lot of others. What I do to get height in my backflip is when I jump, I do a normal prep, but instead of throwing my head straight back, I actually spot the floor or something in front of me, and I lift with my chest and my shoulders. So here, come up, and see I'm looking at the floor here, and my chest opens up straight away. Driving with my chest up is going to allow me to jump straight up. So if I throw my head back, you're just gonna go straight back. Whereas if I throw my chest up here, spot the floor, boom. My chest is going all the way up, my momentum is going up, therefore my backflip is going to go up. Another thing I do that's different in my backflip is a lot of people are taught when you tuck, you throw your arms up and then you bring your knees up to your hands and then tuck. I mean, yeah, you can do that. A lot of other people do it. I'm not going to criticize it. But the way that I do it is when I actually tuck, my arms come up, my chest opens up, and when I go to tuck, my arms come around full circle and they tuck behind my legs. So here, up, around, and they tuck behind my legs. For that reason is, so if I'm doing a backflip, if I go too high and I need to tuck in really fast, all I have to do is yank the back of my leg and I'm gonna spin around faster. Whereas if I was to go here and yank really fast, I'm at risk of slipping. So, I mean, you can do that if you want. I prefer to go up, around, and tuck behind. So I'm gonna demonstrate a few backflips to you from each angle just to show you how I do it. So those videos there showed exactly how I do a really high backflip. Slow mode down so you can study it exactly. Comment below what you thought of this video. Let me know what other tutorials you want me to do, or if you want me to do more tutorials. And for now, it's goodbye. I'll catch you in the next video.